Hello, 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 and welcome back to Miss Boyd's class. All right, let's get started. We are on lesson 103 today. This is our last week. We're in week 9 of our distance learning program. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me. Let's do this. I'm going to say some analogies about a paper bag and a glass. Everybody, tell me what class a paper bag and a glass are in. Get ready. Yes, containers. See if you can figure out what each analogy tells about the containers. Get ready. Listen to this analogy. A paper bag is to dry things as a glass is to, get ready. Yes, wet things. Everybody, say that analogy. Get ready. Yes, a paper bag is to dry things as a glass is to wet things. Excuse me. What does that analogy tell about the paper bag and the glass? Get ready. Yes, what kind of things they hold. Listen to the next analogy. A paper bag is to paper as a glass is to, get ready. Yes, glass. Everybody say that analogy. Get ready. Yes, a paper bag is to paper as a glass is to glass. What does that analogy tell about the paper bag and the glass? Get ready. Yes, it tells what each container is made of. Give yourself a big round of applause. Woo! We're going to play a word game. Listen. The ham is cooked. Say the statement. Get ready. Yes, the ham is cooked. Now, say a statement that tells the opposite about the ham. Get ready. Yes, the ham is raw. Listen. The bed was narrow. Say the statement. Get ready. Yes, the bed was narrow. Now say a statement that tells the opposite about the bed. Get ready. Yes, the bed was wide. Listen, the park was near. Say the statement. Get ready. Yes, the park was near. Now say a statement that tells the opposite about the park. Get ready. Yes, the park was far. Listen, the glass was dull. Say the statement. Get ready. Yes, the glass was dull. Now say a statement that tells the opposite about the glass. Get ready. Yes, the glass is shiny. Listen, the room is dirty. Say the statement. Get ready. Yes, the room is dirty. Now say a statement that tells the opposite about the room. Get ready. Yes, the room is clean. yourself a bunch of student points. We're going to talk about classes. If we took all fruit from the class of food, would there be any kinds of food left? Get ready. Yes. Name some kinds of food that would be left. Get ready. All right, you could have said dairy. You could have said bread. You could have said tuna. The class of fruit is made up of many kinds of fruit. I'll name some kinds of fruit in the class of fruit. Listen. Apples, pears. Your turn. Name some kinds of fruit. Get ready. All right, you could have said something like pineapples, oranges, strawberries. Think about this. If we took all the apples from the class of fruit, would there be any fruit left? Get ready. Yes. Name some kinds of fruit that would be left. Get ready. All right, you could have said pears, strawberries, bananas. If we took all the apples from the class of fruit, there would still be fruit left. So, which class is bigger, the class of fruit or the class of apples? Get ready. Yes, the class of fruit. Tell me how you know. Get ready. Yes, the class of fruit has more kinds of things in it. Think big. Tell me which class is bigger, the class of food or the class of fruit? Get ready. Yes, the class of food. Think big. Tell me which class is bigger, the class of fruit or the class of apples? Get ready. Yes, the class of fruit. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. I'm going to say two things about something you know. See if you can figure out what I'm talking about. Froms is the name of a class. We use froms to help us do work. Everybody tell me what you know about froms. Get ready. Yes, froms is the name of a class. We use froms to help us do work. Everyone tell me what froms are. Get ready. Yes, tools. Here's another one. Zeal is a day of the week. Zeal is the day before Saturday. Everybody tell me what you know about zeal. Get ready. Yes, zeal is a day of the week. Zeal is the day before Saturday. Everybody tell me what zeal is. Get ready. Yes, Friday. Let's do whoop whoop. Let's do that one. Whoop whoop. Okay, I'm going to make up a story. There was an airplane that was very big. What's a synonym for big? Get ready. Yes, large. So there was an airplane that was very, get ready? Yes, large. This airplane was very fast. What's a synonym for fast? Get ready? Yes, quick. So this airplane was very, get ready? Quick. The airplane flew over the clouds. What's a synonym for over? Get ready? Yes, above. So the airplane flew, get ready? Yes, above the clouds. Let's do that story one more time and go a little faster. There was an airplane that was very big. Say that. Get ready. Yes, there was an airplane that was very big. Now say that statement using a synonym for big. Get ready. Yes, there was an airplane that was very large. This airplane was very fast. Say that. Get ready. Yes, this airplane was very fast. Now say that statement using a synonym for fast. Get ready. Yes, this airplane was very quick. The airplane flew over the clouds. Say that. Get ready. Yes, this airplane flew over the clouds. Now say that statement using a synonym for over. Get ready. Yes, the airplane flew above the clouds. And here is the end of the story. The pilot said, "Here comes a big storm. I'll have to fly higher or else land this airplane. What do you think she should do?" Get ready. All right. Why do you think so? Get ready. All right. Now we should be on our worksheets. You should be on this one right here. It should look just like this. All right, make sure you write your name on the page. You're going to write sentences that do not rhyme. Touch the picture of the girl and the bird. You ready? The picture shows what the girl will do and what the bird will do. What will the girl do? Get ready. Yes, sing. What will the bird do? Get ready. Yes, fly. Say the sentence for what the girl will do. Get ready. Yes, the girl will sing. Say the sentence for what the bird will do. Get ready. Yes, the bird will fly. The word box shows how to spell the words bird, fly, and girl. You can figure out how to spell the other words. Write the sentence for what the girl will do. Now go to the next line and write the sentence for what the bird will do. All right, now we're going to the next page, right here. There we go. The pictures show objects and their parts. Touch the dresser. Get ready. The picture that's right below shows what part it has. Everybody, what part does a dresser have? Get ready. Yes, a drawer. Tell me about a dresser. Get ready. Yes, a dresser has a drawer. Touch the car. Get ready. One of the pictures below shows what parts it has. Touch the picture that shows what part a car has. Get ready. Everybody, what part does a car have? Get ready. Yes, a door. Tell me about a car. Get ready. Yes, a car has a door. Say the whole analogy about a dresser and a car. Get ready. Yes, a dresser has a drawer as a car has a door. Draw a line from the car to the part it has. Now we're on the bottom half. Everybody, I'll read the words in the box. You touch the words. First word, clothing. Get ready. Next word, buildings. Get ready. Yes, clothing and buildings. Everybody touch the woman's shirt. Get ready. Is a shirt in the class of clothing or in the class of buildings? Get ready. Yes, clothing. Copy the word clothing next to the woman's shirt. Read what you wrote. Get ready. Yes, clothing. Everybody put your finger under the barn. Get ready. Is a barn in the class of clothing or in the class of buildings? Get ready. Yes, buildings. Copy the word buildings next to the barn. Get ready. Read what you wrote. Get ready. Yes, buildings. Everybody read the words you wrote. Get ready. Yes, clothing, buildings. Later, you can write the class words that go with the other pictures. And after you finish all of that, you have finished your lesson for today. I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.